Hey, what's up guys? And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add your own music on Instagram stories. So make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process step by step. First, head over to your Instagram. Now, the main issue is, even if you go to the music section and press on browse, you won't find the musics that are available on your gallery. Now, what you're going to do is download an app called CapCut. It is available both in App Store and Play Store. After getting into the app, you will select the video that you want your audio to be in. After selecting the video, simply press on Add Audio, click on Sounds. You can either go for extracted audio from video or you can just go devices and it will show all the audios and musics that you have on your own gallery. Select any music you want. After selecting, it will add it to the video. You can just crop it out until the video ends and then just save it to device, and you will have your own video with your own music from your gallery. So guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Like the video and do subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.